Want to start a high-profit workshop from your garage? Meet the LY6040 ATC CNC Engraver, your new business partner. With a powerful 2.2 kW ISO 20 spindle, automatic tool changer, and plus or minus 0.01 mm repeat accuracy, this beast can engrave metal, carve wood, and even handle mold-making projects, all with precision and speed. Whether you're producing signs, custom parts, or high-detail engravings, this machine can easily earn you $3,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on your service volume. Don't wait, your CNC side hustle or full-time business starts right here.